Hello, super readers, and thank you so much for all your hard work so far with our reading sessions. So I wanted to give you a little bit of information about our RAZ-KIDS Sticker Challenge. So I am challenging each of you to record a story in RAZ-KIDS 5 days a week. Progress will be tracked using a sticker chart in our Class Connect classroom. I will track this. You will not need to do anything but log into RAZ-KIDS and record those stories. When your chart is complete, you will receive a prize for completion. Remember, the more you practice, the better you get. So to give you some information here, this is an example of what our sticker charts will look like. Once a week, we will take some time to add stickers to our chart for each day a story was recorded in RAZ-KIDS. Now, some information about how to record in RAZ-KIDS. I'm going to go ahead and show you this right now. Reminder that your class code for RAZ-KIDS is either JBoutwell5 or JBoutwell6, and your student ID is your password. So I'm going to show you this right now. So here's RAZ-KIDS. When we are in RAZ-KIDS, we will click on Kids Login. Once you click Kids Login, you will then be able to type in your class code JBoutwell5 or JBoutwell6. This here is an example of our JBoutwell5 class. So now I'm going to go down and select a student. You find your name, click on it, and then type in your password. Select Go. Then here you will have your option to click on your reading room. Once you're in the reading room, if you have a flight check that needs to be completed, it is right here. You can take care of that right away. If you are not going to do that flight check right now, or you have already completed it, then you will go to a room that looks like this, where you have an option for level up or the reading room. I would like you to use the reading room right now. When you go to the reading room, you then are able to select the leveled books. I would like you to select leveled books, and then you are going to choose from letter B, C, or D. Okay, B, C, or D, those are going to be the levels that we want to focus on. Now, if I choose level C, I will click on the level C and it will show me all of the stories available for level C. Now, to record a story, you would click on the book option in the middle here. Once you click on that book, it's going to open up for you. Now to record, you will have to click this little down arrow if it's not down already. Okay, so if it's up like that, you click down and then you will see the microphone to record the story. If you select the microphone, you then will have the option to click the record button. Once you click that record button, you may have a pop-up like this that is asking you to allow the program to use your microphone. So you select allow and then it automatically comes on. You can go ahead and read the story. And as you read through that story, it will record everything that is being said. Now, if you get stuck on a word and need help, you can click on it and it will read the word for you. But your goal is to be able to read those words on your own. So you have to practice it and read through. So this is a story here about worms. You can see about the earthworms, all the things that are going on here. It's kind of an exciting story here. Now, once you complete your story and you are finished reading all of the pages, you will then click to the end and it sends me a recording automatically. Okay, now if you would like to go in and listen to your recording, I believe you can do so by clicking on it again. Nope, maybe not. Maybe we can't listen to those recordings right now. So I get a copy of it though, okay? And that's the thing that's going to get you the sticker for your sticker chart. Now remember, there are lots of different stories here. Find ones that interest you and make it fun to practice reading. Before recording that story, you can always listen to it first and then go in and practice reading it. Remember, if you are stuck on a word, you have to remember to take action. So make sure you are doing that. All right, so now remember you click on that leveled books and then the little drop down arrow to get to your microphone. When you're reading, if you're stuck, remember to take action. Our goal is to develop confident, independent readers. So learning coaches, remind your student to take action. when they are reading. It's okay to make mistakes. We learn from those mistakes. It's not okay to not try. We want our students to have to work hard to help improve reading skills and not just rely on someone to read the text for them. So let's remember that as we are working on this task. So remember, we want to change our words and change our mindset that we can do this if we try. So keep up the good work and work hard, super readers. Have a great day. Bye.